Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today on my channel, we are going to be talking about 5 at-home devices that can make your life a little bit easier. We've all been stuck at home for the last couple months, and with that, I have been trying a lot of different at-home options for things that you would typically go to a salon, a spa, or med spa to get these services done. So I've been testing them out and I have my top 5 favorites. So let's jump right into them. All right, my first favorite, it has been a long time favorite of mine. I use it consistently. I absolutely love it. It makes my makeup go on so smooth. Essentially what this is this is an at-home dermaplaning product. This is by Michael Todd. I purchased it at Ulta. You can also buy it at Amazon. And you may be saying, what is different with this versus your typical at-home little razor that you use? Well, the key with this is, first thing, it does have a blade. It has a button here and you can turn it on. If you can hear that. Goes louder and louder, and each time it actually gives you an ultrasonic exfoliation while you are doing the dermaplaning. Game changing, guys. These for me are perfect for like right up under my brow, but that's all I really use them for. This is amazing for that peach fuzz that we all want to get rid of in all of these areas, even on our forehead. When you do that, it makes your application of your makeup so beautiful, so seamless. This is so easy to use. It is foolproof. It is absolutely amazing. You can purchase refills. That's what this is right here. You can tell how I use them very easily, again, on Amazon or on Ulta. Very easy. This is around, I believe, the $100 mark. And the refills, I believe, are around the $30 mark. Very easy to use. Absolutely amazing. If you were someone that was going to your med spa to have dermaplaning done, and or if you were using these little bad boys, which take a lot longer and just don't do the same thing. They're good, but they don't do the same thing as that. This is an option that you could do for yourself at home. The next item I want to talk about. So I am personally someone who tends to go into a spa, med spa. I get my facials, I get my hydrofacials. I want to get rid of all of those clogged pores, which the more your pores clog up, the more chances you have for breakouts. It also makes, again, the application of your makeup a little bit more difficult. And then I found this. Now I've heard about this. I've talked about this in favorites before. This has been around with me for a while. The one at Nordstrom, I think, is like $200. And I believe this one was around the $30 or $50 mark on Amazon. And what this is this is actually a blackhead remover. So you see how this little part goes. And again, this also helps, this little button here. It does many different options. It has a nutrition option where it helps for your products to sink into your skin. But the main part that I love it for, and I use it on clean. So that's ultra, and you can hear it. And then this is ultra 2. This is the clean one. Okay, and clean is what I use. And you actually can use it down around the edges. You can use it anywhere you have clogged pores. You don't just hold your skin tight and you don't have to push hard. Some people like to because it gets more out, but the ultrasonic part of this gets all that gunk out of your pores. Guys, it's crazy. It is so good. It has saved my skin. And I have been doing this just once a week religiously, and I love it. For the Michael Todd or the dermaplaning, it's all going to be relevant to your actual hair and how it grows on your face and how often you feel like you need that. All right, next item. We all know we can't get our Botox and our fillers and all that crazy stuff that helps keeping us look young. But there is an at-home option. Now, the difference with this one, the only downside I will mention about this is something you have to do every day. If you do not do it every day, you will not see continued results. And this is the New Face. And the New Face you actually also need with a gel primer. I like the silver one better than the gold one. I also like it in a pump. I find it much easier to apply. So you turn this on, it buzzes at you, and you have different strengths. You can see that going all the way up. And you're actually, I'm not going to touch it because it actually has Here, let me turn it off. It actually, you just roll it. It feels very nice when you're using it as long as you have the conductor on your skin. But this is actually working under your skin to tighten the muscles. So you're just gonna roll it continuously across your skin. It comes with a guide of how to do it. You can do what are called advanced techniques where you actually roll it up and hold it for 3 beeps. It'll beep at you. So I'll let you listen as it goes through. Let's see if it'll do it. Hear the beep? That lets you know you're done the one section. So you would go like that and then go to the next one. And when it beeps, you move it. And you can do, as I was mentioning, you can go and do what's called an advanced hold. Hold it in an area where you need more tightening and do 1, 2, or 3 beeps. I do that a lot on my forehead because, as we can see, that is where I have the most area that I need to work on. This is an amazing, amazing, amazing tool. However, as I mentioned, it is something that you have to continue to do. When you stop using it, it's gonna go away pretty quickly. The next item, all right, this is new to me. I am loving it. It is by Trophy Skin. They have a really big one that comes in a whole case with all different settings and this, that, and the other. This is, I believe, called the mini one. And this is actually one that you can simply just take with you much easier. It is an at-home microderm abrasion. Guys, I've used tons of these. I used the PMD, PMB, whatever that was called. I used the one that was before that. This one works better than any of them I have used. It comes with a ton of filters. That is super important because the filters are what you get all the gunk on. So I kept mine in there purposely. That is all dead skin cells. Yes, I know that is gross. I'm throwing that away now, but that is where you put the little filters. It comes with a huge bag of filters, which is super important. This is so easy to use, guys. It is not uncomfortable. It is not harmful. It comes with a plug. You simply, and it is a really long plug. You plug it into the wall. You're gonna hold your skin tight and you're just gonna move it up. I'll actually plug it in and let you hear it. I plug this in. So it has 2 different types. And again, I'm not gonna, you know what? Here, I'll put it on my hand. As it's picking up those dead skin cells. Okay, and this is an amazing, amazing, amazing product. This works so well. It is so great. It really gets rid of all those dead skin cells. Again, we're not able to get facials. We're not exfoliating that dead skin cells off as often. This is amazing. I probably use this once every 2 to 3 weeks. It just is so good. It makes my skin feel amazing. I do not use it at the same time that I am using this, just as an FYI, because that is already exfoliating. This is also, you don't want to do 2 of those at once. This thing is so, so, so good, guys. I absolutely love it. Now on to my favorite thing that I have been using. I did a full review on this. I have my 4-week update. I am going to probably do a 12-week update. I'm obsessed with this thing. This is the Kenzie at-home laser hair removal and IPL device. Again, another super long cord. All right, I'm gonna plug this in and let you hear it. Again, the light is flashing to turn it on. You can hear the fan. So it's on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is what I actually use this on. I am testing it out in multiple areas. I'm testing it out under my chin where I have a few dark hairs, under my arms, my bikini line, and my legs. How I do it is Mondays I do my face, Tuesdays I do under my arms, Wednesday I do my bikini line, Thursday I do one leg, Friday I do the other leg. Completely painless. I'm just gonna show you what it looks like when it goes off. The entire thing has to be, like, see I'm pushing it, nothing's happening. This entire window has to be covered in order for it to go off. And that's what it looks like. That's on a 5 and it does not sting, bother me, nothing. This thing is game changing, guys. I just unplugged it from here to make it a little bit easier. This thing is game changing, guys. I'm obsessed with this thing. I am loving the results I am seeing. I would say after 4 weeks, I have cut down the amount of hair in most of the areas. I will say my legs and my bikini line are the ones that are a little bit more difficult. It is not painful in the bikini line, guys. I mean, I've heard horror stories of the ones that you get done at a med spa, and I'm having no discomfort whatsoever. But this is something you do once a week, and you do it for 12 weeks. And then you may have to once a month do maintenance, but that is it. I am obsessed. There are not enough words to explain how much I am loving this thing. They also do give me a discount code. This video is not sponsored by them. The original video, they sent this to me and sponsored the video, but it is not an affiliate link. I do not make any money off of it. It is just a discount code to help you guys out if you are interested. This is $229 without the discount code, and I believe the discount code gets you $50 off. So those are my top 5 at-home devices that you can be using right now if you are trying to reduce the amount of times you are going out or limit your contact with people, and or if you are just someone that wants to do these things at home versus going to a spa and paying the hefty price tag of a med spa. If you have any questions on any of these items I talked about, please put a comment down in the comment section. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, I would love if you click the little red button and followed along here. And as always, I will post 2 additional videos that you might find interesting right up here. And thank you so much for watching and sticking with me, guys. Have a great day. Bye.